my talk's name is Best Practices Dead. And what that really means is, in a discipline like software development, you want to have best practices, but in software specifically, it depends very much on the specific context of your project and your product, what those best practices look like. And our industry really hasn't caught up to that idea until a year or two ago, that, let's start mapping out what those different contexts are and the different practices that would be best in those. And I think I'm going to build on a couple of new ideas from prominent thinkers, and then just add a bit of flavor and my own stories. The points in my talk was that the way you develop software, don't worry too much and compare yourself too much to others. Really learn from your situation. Grow situational awareness from where you are. And then there's three factors that I believe you should take into consideration. Where is your product in its maturity? Is it a startup or is it a mature enterprise product? The other thing is your customer needs. Think about your customer needs, because that might determine a different direction for how you do things. And finally, then just think about the risks in the project that you're doing. And from that, you can start to see your unique circumstance for what it is and how you go about it. So my key message is understand your context and grow a situational awareness. And from there on, it should become clear how you should be going about things. Agile started out as almost a grassroots community. I think I started about 12 years ago, and it was already not new then, but it was still small and it was still bottom up. Where we are now, and if you see who's represented at the conference, it's the major corporates have started to see the value. Almost everyone that builds software has started to slowly see that there's a lot of merit. So it gives me a lot of joy. And where we'll go, I think we'll just build on the momentum we'll have. I think Agile is representing more than just the initial manifesto nowadays. It's become a symbol for just a modern collaborative way of working. And I believe the future creative work, design work, those are the typical things we'll be doing. The monotonous things will get automated. So I think and everyone has started to realize this and embrace this. At this stage, it's always just nice to catch up with everyone in the community, share some notes. And I invite, if you haven't been here before, please do. It's very open and inviting community, so join us. I want to thank the JCSE. I think this has been the biggest event so far, sold out. It's really a lot of the bigger companies have arrived today, and it's wonderful to see. I want to give a special thanks to Joanne, who was the conference chair. I don't think anyone can see how much effort she put into building a great program. So shout out to her.